Hello and welcome to this lesson. In a new document, we're going to make the ship's wheel. So go to File, New. Go to the primitives and create a tube. Activate Grid Shading Lines to see the polygons of this object and then scale it up. Go to the rotation segments and reduce the value to 10. Rotate the object 90 degrees. Okay, let's do the center part. First, make the object editable and select the same polygons I do. Right-click and choose Extrude Inner. Then make an extrusion. Grab the Scale tool, toggle the World Coordinate System, and make an extrusion like this one. Now make a normal extrusion and scale it until you have a nice shape. Something like this. Keep on extruding and scaling. Next, grab the bevel tool and use it to have a little bevel on each end. You don't need to change any of the attributes. Okay, this is enough. Now create another cylinder. Rotate it 90 degrees and then change the rotation segment's value to 10. Make the object editable by pressing the C key or clicking on the button located on the top left part of the screen. Scale down the cylinder. Select the same polygons that I'm selecting and make an extrusion until they touch the tube. Select the central polygons, right-click and choose Extrude Inner. Make an extrusion. And then, with the Extrude tool, make a normal extrusion to generate the support of the ship's wheel. Create another cylinder. We'll use it to make the base of the wheel. Change the rotation segments to 10. Or even 8. Make it editable and begin scaling it. Grab the points on the top and scale them down. Stretch the object downward and scale up the bottom points a bit. Then place this object next to the support. And we have the ship's wheel ready. As you can see, it wasn't hard to do, right? Select all of these elements and press Ctrl+C. Go back to the main project and press Ctrl+V to paste them. Now scale the ship's wheel properly and place it where it should go. Use the top view if you need help with the placement. Now, to give it more detail, select the wheel, activate the Polygons mode, grab the Loop Selection tool, and select the same polygons that I do. And now make an extrusion. We're going to create some flags, which we will place on top of the masts. First, create a plane. Remember that you need to set the width segments and the height segments to 1. Rotate the plane 90 degrees and make it editable. Scale it down. Now select the points on the right side and grab the Weld tool. click on the middle point to weld both points together. Select this point and stretch it to make the flag longer. In any case, the shape of the flag is up to you. We have this flag ready, so now we can duplicate it and place it on top of the other mast. Before doing that, remember that you can go to Mesh, Commands, and click on the gear next to Subdivide to apply a subdivision to the flag. This will help us later, because we want to get kind of an undulation on it. I think a value of 2 subdivisions is okay. Now, to leave the flag ready for that undulation, we need the cloth surface. Place the flag inside the cloth surface and apply a thickness of 1. These subdivisions will come in handy later on. You can duplicate the flag now and place it on top of the other mast. We're going to give more detail to the main top. For that, we're going to make a couple of cuts with the Loop Path tool. Grab the Loop Selection tool and select these polygons. And extrude them a bit. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. In the next one, we'll create some cannons and some portholes. See you!